So the idea behind InDesign, it's in a way, it's giving you a lot of the functionality that Illustrator has, because there's a lot of vector tools in it. But there's some additional features that you have in InDesign, and it's really meant for multi-page publishing. So documents that have multiple pages, or different types of content that share a theme, but they share a common design, but maybe they have different types of layouts. So some of the features that InDesign has that Illustrator doesn't is this idea of creating frames. And Illustrator kind of has this too, but creating multiple frames, the concept of master pages. Illustrator has artboards, but InDesign basically works with pages. And then there's more you can do with the guides in InDesign. So using guides, and then how you place text, um, and then how you integrate with the other applications as well. So a lot of the artwork and different types of assets that you would bring into an InDesign project are going to be linked to the InDesign project. So InDesign works on the idea that you're linking everything into the actual design that you're working on, and then you can modify the artwork in Illustrator or Photoshop and then update it in InDesign. So InDesign is not the place to actually create the artwork itself, but is the place to create a layout. And you'll see that the InDesign window is basically the same as everything else in terms of menu layout and the different palettes on the side here. And a lot of the tools are similar as well. So it shares the fill and stroke type color pickers that Adobe Illustrator has, shares that selection tool. So, and it's the same shortcut. So you have the selection tool, which is V, direct selection tool is A. You have the type tool, the pen tool. You have two types of gradients, and you have some very similar tools